Hey guys, I just wanted to kind of introduce the design basics that we're going to be covering this week. I know we're doing a couple different things this week as far as like responsibility as a student journalist, and then also I want to start teaching you some design basics because I want to get you going here before too long. So this week we're really covering just very basic information. We will take it at baby steps because there's a lot that goes into design, but we'll just go through it kind of step by step. So for design this week, you have a couple videos here about just the importance of design. The bell. The importance of design, really specifically focusing on alignment and spacing. And then this last video here in this page is just how to build a spread, like literally what are the steps of how to build a spread, and then a little bit more about the importance of spacing. After that, you're actually going to log into our design program, which is called Online Design. Okay, in this video here, it's a lot of nuts and bolts as far as like where to go, walsworthyearbooks.com, what your username is, your password, how to actually just get in to online design. And then you're going to start a template, which is where you're really going to kind of be working in. And the one little thing that I'm going to teach you how to do today or this week is to just simply make a text box, okay? All very simple stuff, but if you have questions, of course, email me. And then there is a little design quiz here at the end just to kind of make sure that you you understand a few key elements. You have 2 attempts at that, and that should not be difficult at all. But after you complete all of these things, we'll be done with design for this week. Next week, we do continue responsibility and ethics, and then we kind of just add more to our design skills.